And again, these tips are what helped me to achieve this 100,000 subscribers silver creator award and play button on my primary YouTube channel here. So I have over 100,000 subscribers at the moment and the channel is verified. Number 8, create high value content. Very, very important, because content is king. If you create content, people can obviously ignore your poor production in terms of audio and visuals. But if you have good production and very low value or poor value in your content, people will very much ignore it, right? Because what matters so much is the value you bring in terms of how well you're educating them, entertaining them, informing them, or inspiring them. So you should heavily educate, heavily entertain, heavily inform, and heavily inspire, such a way that they'll be wondering, I have not been able to get this same content elsewhere. Wow, this is so amazing. Oh, I love this content. Wow. So you should create that sort of feeling in them because of the amount of value you offer to them free of charge. And this is very powerful. For me, I look out for topics that people really need answers to, deep questions that affect them deeply in their life, in their family, in their relationship, in their work, and I address this thing by giving top-notch value in the now, updated information based on research, right? Research-based information, so that when they see it, they're like, oh, it's difficult to get this kind of content elsewhere. That is high value. So even if you're into entertainment, or you have a kind of news channel where you inform people, or you're just inspirational or motivational, make sure you do it strongly. Come hot, come hard, come strong. That way you position yourself to get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and this is very important. And if you need inspiration, check my YouTube channel, Ask Dr. Malik, or this particular channel, Vidpride, to see some of the strongly educating content that I dish out regularly on these channels, and maybe to inspire you on how to create high value content, which is very important, which I consider one of the reasons I am where I am today on YouTube. Find this video very helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed to this YouTube channel, and check the description section again for a free download that will teach you how to start, grow, and monetize a profitable YouTube channel fast. And as we usually say in this community, play big. And I will see you in the next one.